Hello, I've just received this in the post. Let's open it up and take a look inside. So inside we've got this Owltron 1080p Wi-Fi smart camera. I'm going to open the box, show you what's included, and then show you the features and how it works. So first of all, we've got a USB cable, we've got a mounting bracket and some screws, and we've got a ruler for the QR code net pairing. And then we've got the power plug, and then we've got the camera itself. Straight away you can feel that this is a quality item. It's got a protective film on the lens there. On the back we've got the USB input and there's a reset button, and on the bottom we've got the screw mounting point. And on the bottom of the camera we've got an SD card slot. Also in the box we've got the user manual. The manual is in multiple languages, and it also states that there is 24/7 live support available using the app. Inside the manual we've got a QR code which we can scan to download the app, and that's available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. So I'm going to download that now and then show you the features. So once we scan the QR code, it takes us to this page here where we're given the Little Elf smart camera app, and we can go ahead and download that. Then when we open the app we can agree to the terms and conditions, and then we can sign up for a new account. And then all we have to do is enter an email address. And then once we've verified our email and created a password, we can go to the app. So now we can plug in the camera and start using the app. So to use the camera we just plug in the USB cable into the back of the camera. And then we can plug the other end into our plug. And then we can go ahead and plug that in. Now we can go back to the app and we can add a device. And then we can turn on Bluetooth to pair the camera. And then that will automatically scan for nearby devices. There's also an option to add the camera manually. Then it'll bring up our Wi-Fi network. If we put in our password, then we can connect directly through Wi-Fi. And then once we've entered the Wi-Fi code, it will give us a QR code that we can put in front of the camera. And then it says, security camera added successfully. And we can go ahead and test the device. And then we can see that's me sat on the sofa. And then we can control the camera with the on-screen controls. We can move it left and right. We can move it up a bit. We can see me there. Hello. The app has lots of features. It's got two-way audio. We can click on that. We can hold to talk. We've got night mode, which we can set to automatic, off or on. If we turn that on, you'll just see what that looks like, even though we've got plenty of light. It goes into infrared, so you can still see me there. We've also got motion tracking, so if we turn that on, if I move around, the camera follows me around. We've also got motion detection, and we can set that so that it either records to the cloud or to the internal SD card. We've got playback, which we can play back from the SD card, or if we've got cloud storage we can play it back from there. And we can turn the app volume on and off with the icon in the top right here. So the whole setup is really easy, really quick. It takes about 5 minutes to set the whole thing up and you're ready to go. So that is the Owltron 1080p smart camera.